An entertainer, Junction St. Elizabeth. I know you have been waiting. I know you have been anticipating. I am ready. The man on the stand is ready. I want to make sure that you are ready. Get your cameras out. Get your phones out. Light man, I want you to lock out the lights right now. Because history is in the making. Right here at Beers Bar and Chill St. Elizabeth. Only the best comes from St. Bessa. If you are ready, I am ready. Please let me welcome your star, our star, the one and only, Christopher Martin!
Okay. Alright, jump dance. Oh na na, 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 yeah, oh na na, oh na na, oh na na. My girl, she's so nice. All over, she don't fussy, she just living her life. She tell me that she wants to go to country tonight. But see where I'm from, she wants to go for the next day we go by El Shah, the links screechy. We are the food and then we see down and I easy. She hear the music, humping her shoulder. To what she going, you woulda fix her share. Boy, when you are married, can get a good. Pull it up, Junction, what's up? Where my bougie ladies at? Yeah, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Oh na oh na oh na. My girl bougie, she's so nice. All over she don't fussy, she just living her life. She tell me that she wants to go to country tonight. When I see where I'm from, she wants to go forever. The next day we go by El Shah, the links screechy. We are the food and then we see down and I eat. She hear the music, humping her shoulder. To what she going, you woulda fix her share. Boy, when you are far away, sing a good time. Fill up your vibes and get ready. Cause tonight we are gonna touch a party. Boy, when you are far away, yeah, a good time is carrot. Fill up your vibes and get ready. Cause tonight we are gonna touch a party. Now listen up, cause from me that's a beauty, you forget about the rest of them. You raise the bar so high right now, I can't see none of them. William, my future, that's a girl, I can't look back. Take note, this is for real, I'm a love it. Yeah, you not pretend, and you are setting trend. Baby, you are a gem. The love for me is send, I hope that you can comprehend. You don't deal with only time, because me and you want it. Let's go to Ocean, oh what a vibe. And down River Park to this some way you would like. And then we go to Safety, Treasure Beach. And Pelican Bar, you know the road that we reach. And then we go to the grill, then go Bay, yeah. Go to Portland for a couple days. Kingston City, the life of the party. We they are ears and Junction ready. When you are married, yeah, a good time is best. Alright then, fill up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are gonna touch a park. All my pretty ladies, when you are married, sing again, a good time is best. You know, see all the beautiful ladies inside of the party tonight. All my beautiful ladies, no girl, know you flex, so called the feedback. You know it got ready, but squeeze jam dance. Martin and dancing to the fullest. Big up to everybody on this side. Everybody in front of me right here, sir. Everybody over here, sir. From you happy to be alive. VIP. Me and my friends, I'm a VI. Say no one tears, we are VI. How will you ask anybody more? I'm on a big, well, long pain. I'm my friends, them are. Wait up. If you happen to be alive, say life. We don't got ears tonight on a junction in any one of the banks already. Martin and dancing to the fullest. I wanna see all of the hands up. I wanna see all of the hands up. You want people life tonight, don't be telling this. VIP, so me and my friends them. And all the sexy ladies are VIP. I want you ask anybody more. I want a big, well okay, now my friends them are big. Someone to listen up, you know me very important. Say my important part. I wanna hear you sing it out if you want. Say me and my friends them are big. We very, very, very important. Say my important part. Your money is so good. This has nothing to do with the money. Fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. And so big up your chest and stand proud. And I want to about nobody, no man, no more than no man from this earth. And so whether you walk or you are drive, and you know what I tell why it's all black. So me say come here, feel good in yourself. Everybody push up on the way, tell all the haters I'm a big deal. And I'm my friends, I'm a big deal. You know me telling them now, say that I'm very important. Say my important for real. I'm a big deal. Big deal. Very, very, very important for real. It's like you have the Prime Minister, Lord, and then you have way. That's how the honor in a free country. And yet that's how the status of the hierarchy. Ask anybody about it. And they say 4 points. It's a big great point of rich. We never cheat or copy to get it. You know you have your dreams and nobody can stop it. So walk on, just a blanket, say I'm a big deal. Well, okay, me and my friends, I'm a big deal. Believe me when we tell you now it's very important. For real. Oh yes, I'm a big deal. Oh my God, man, my friends are some big deals. We are big, we're very, very important. Everybody, can listen up. It's like you have the Prime Minister, Lord, and then you have that's how the honor in a free country. And yeah, that's how the status of the hierarchy. I want everybody, yes, 4 points. You happen to be a light tears. Walk out and say I'm a big deal. Well, okay, now my friends, I'm a big important, important for real. Oh yes, I'm a big deal. Oh my God, now my friends are some big deals. Believe me, man, important for real. Everybody know the party when no one say never jump no fence. You come in here and see the hands up. You know you're a bad mind, nobody let me see the hands up. Pretty boy, fly big yourself. I'm from a place called Back Pasture. Them never know I'm gonna reach you, so you know what I mean? But listen this, boom. From the little and the country, me know me need a go far. Them look and them don't see nothing but me see a star. So many of them bright lights and cases in the man. Them used to sell my chest high up. Look at me now, in full control. Foreign and push that dress, just go. She's on that clothes and shows like go. And now I'm gonna make me just show you what me. Remember the country, we need a country. Think our river come up on the garbage. Come and town, I must sit on a church trip. Never me go here, but we go pick up family. Family's me, who we. You know what if me then I'm sorry. God job bless me, who we black and delete the wicked girl poverty. Right now, man, big, oh big, big. We can't big, we big, big. We don't big, we big, big. Yeah, my girl, yeah, my tea, yeah, my bamboo. We big, big. That's how you big, we big, big. I'm gonna be big, we big, big. You don't know a guy already, you know what I mean? Fighting with some technical difficulties, but I don't know. We're gonna have our vibes tonight. Can't too far over there so for my sexy ladies, cause the feedback are hurts, you know. And I can't go too far over here so either. Come in, I make like right time. Come in, I make a singer. Then that me go work with. Then that you have to have one baby, that's my name. Squeeze! All hard working people, our song this year. Yeah, man. Cause when the boss are stressful, we have to have them vibes, yeah. You ready? Bad days, when I'm not turn up on my way. You know me feel like give up. For me say show me in the towel and give up. Well anyway, when work it has stress me. There's I'm a girl now caress me. They only have a few spots so when me ready. I me say y'all love me proud of them. So when I tell you me say big up the one. I me big up million, big up my back. And then I big up anywhere you can. I will have vibe and I release the stress. Yeah, I me say big up. I big up the party with the ball is at you. Just before me go on and now I got some stuff. Release my mind and relax. I'm a chill. Now everybody got somewhere. They go in the field, there's no way out. Till I find shut up yet. But all of the struggles that I face throughout the day. Yeah, you want to have a home away from home. 6 foot or 6 I drop in a domino. So sing a long time from you know that. You want to have and everybody will say big up. And me big up million, big up me that. And then my big up anywhere you can. I will have vibe and release the stress. Me not fear. And me say big up, and big up. Before me go on, I know I am superstar. Release my mind and me love. I'm a chill spot. Now anywhere you go to keep us down. Chill spot. Not to release the pressures of your mind. Yes, of your mind. Now every evening at a certain time. Chill spot. Now you can find me at my spot. Hey, you know me chilling on my block. I'ma tell them we say big up on a shop. And me big up million, big up my block. And then my big up anywhere you can. I'm full of vibe and I release the stress. Yeah, and me say big up the barber shop. And big up the ball field when the ball is at you. Just before me go on and now I have some stuff. Release my mind and me love. I'm a chill spot. Yeah. Chill spot. Chill spot. Chill spot. Can I see the hands of the real friends inside the party now? From the know you're the friend killer inside of theirs. I wanna see the hands up tonight to tell them this is one you have from a friend of mine. Them now sell out, them I never sell out. And for all of them and them. This how we not make no friend for them. This head I want you from a friend, yeah. I'm from a friend. The ones that true when them not sell out. That one you from a friend, yeah. You know me talking about that one you from a friend, yeah. From country straight back to town. My friend, now this so good. Problem them must stress you. Your face under pressure, you can link your friend them because them under the fear. Your friend them can't do that. Your friend them know right. How you feel tell them your business and then go tell them ever. That's why you get to know the ones who really into you. I don't know because of where you up with them and link with you. You know if you watch what's in your cup and them a drink. So push up on the one from where your friend that. So this I want you from the friend there. You know what I'm talking about. That one you from a friend there. I need it from country straight back to town. That one you from me, yeah. That one you from me, yeah. You don't know how to fix my failing up. Hey yo, me with my friend I'm so happy, yeah. And anytime we link up is like a holiday. We on the corner, rich chilling and we living nice. Now watch me get back, now lose my life. Some people they on big boats, we they on friendship. Them do some chatty mom, but you're my thing authentic. That's why me and theirs will forever run. Big up. Now I am from a friend. You know me talking about. Now I am from a friend. Yes. From country straight back to town. Easy. Stress out. Selassie, I know my friend. All the people who've been supporting Chris Martin for more than 10 years. You know what I mean? I love Rolina, I want to forward out in our night, yeah. So I'm testing to see if you know them song, yeah. I'm not talking about the people who love me for 2 years and them thing. I'm not talking about the people who are my real supporters, them. Them know them song, yeah. Squeeze jam dance, I go see what I go. You know it's all about my lady. See, my cute pretty ladies, my babies, my ladies. Come here, baby. You see I'm flexing it down the sidewalk. To the ladies to the east and west and north. Most beautiful women I ever saw. Ooh, ooh, see, ooh. I'm thinking of the right approach to make. Gotta be careful of the steps I'm supposed to take. I'm a lover, I don't need no heart to break. Oh no, see, no. And someone moved to the catty on my right. And I said, baby, be mine tonight. Cause I love all the shorties I chose you. And if you slow this high, we can move. I got my keys, let's boogie, let's slide. And I got the right rhythm in the rest. And pretty girls, I got your good, good loving in mind. Christy, forgiving it. 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 Oh, baby, I'll be giving it to you. You know that Christy's for me is best. I said I'm giving it. Christy, forgiving it. Hey yo, she know now. Woman, she's her better than her man. But she a worry about the millions. She a worry about the millions. Hey girl, you love her, keep it true. But certain things you like, that's how you want to do. Now listen, now you're somebody to understand that you were made for money, man. But you can't love me now. Don't love me later. One again. Yo, she know what I want. Here's me, I've got come back here. I will start out to sound right here. The millions, they girl, you love me for true. But certain things you like, that's how you want to do. Now listen, now you're so me understand. I want everybody to sing this one. And I say, you can't love me now, don't love me later. When my later is much greater. It only proves that you love my paper. You love my paper. If you can't love me now, don't love me later. When my later is much greater. I mean, no one, no one person later. Now girl, do you love me or do you love him? Who introduce you to kissing and the hugging? Me, gentle rubbing, me, sexy touching. I meet a girl, I make you the boomer. Only thing is that you're rich on me. And it shouldn't be because I only make a switch from me. Get lead girl, no matter come back. I wanna hear everybody sing it one more time. Now if you can't love me now, don't love me later. Or when my later is much greater. Oh yes, it only proves that you love my paper, my paper. If you can't love me now, don't love me later. See when my later is much greater. I mean, I want no impersonator from a paper. Listen up, girl, I know you want stability, but that means that you can sell your soul for vanity, you know. To the bright lights, fast cars, and the city, and the fast lane, like the loser sanity, you know. Can't believe you sell yourself so short. For the money you will make man break. Alright, again, I your life, make your choice. I wanna hear everybody sing this part, so everybody else say, if you can't love me now, don't love me later. Now when my later is much greater. Now sing it up, it only proves that you love my paper. You love your paper. You love it now. If you can't love me now, don't love me later. See when my later is much greater. Take it up. Take it up. Take it up. Ladies, I don't want you to learn the hard way. I'm taking you to lover school. If you want all money, just a party. You take me for fool, yeah. Every piece of my heart I gave away, and I gave it away, yes. And now I got you and understand me, babe. So everybody, I gotta sing it one more time. I said, you can't love me now, don't love me later. I bet my later is much greater. Oh yes, it only proves that you love my paper. You love it, paper. You love it now. If you can't love me now, don't love me later. When my later is much greater. I mean, I want to impersonate. Yeah, listen up again. You can't love me now, don't love me later. that years, you know what I mean? But this one's for my beautiful ladies who's been following Christopher Martin for more than 15 years. This one's for you, you understand? See my baby, I've been wondering, where have you been so long? In my life you made a statement, girl, you're like my very first hit song. And all this time I have been rising, you ladies made me to a star. And I tell you without your love, I'm nothing, girl. All I am now is who you are. Pretty girl, I would climb rise, mountains, don't do it. See, give me any ocean, I to do it. See, yeah, it's to prove to you girls, my love is never ending. See, no, an eternity with all my junction ladies. Ladies, if you know it, sing it with me now. Take my love, take it all. My everything I give it to you. Please take full control of my heart. All my ladies, take my love, take it all. My everything I give it to you. Please take full control. All my ladies who believe in love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Jeez, I'm struggling. You know, you got already. But we have to make do, you understand? I look back and I work for me still. But I have these songs to sing for the ladies. Huh? Are you fixed the stage over here? Oh. Watch it here. It a go worse, my baby. So this one is for you. Like how you are going so much. I remember you'll never find another man like me, baby. You understand? You understand? So squeeze and talk to them, please. Listen, baby. Listen good. Do you really think that we can be just friends? Do you really think so, baby? See, you're acting cool as if we were nothing. Now if you think that it's that easy, think again. Hey, if you let me get over you. Hey, you're the one this. I wanna hear you sing it with me now. You'll never find a love like mine. No, no. Play for my ladies again, please. Wish I could come to you, baby. Wish I could squeeze you, baby. Love you, ladies. Listen. Do you really think that we can be just friends? Do you really think so, baby? See, you're acting cool as if we were nothing. Now if you think that it's that easy, think again. Hey, if you let me get over you. See, you're the one this guy. I wanna hear you some noise inside the ears tonight. Now listen, I love you so much. But listen, I don't know what the price still, you know. I don't know what the price, but if you have a good man in your life, don't make him walk out. No, listen. There are many distractions because I'm looking in the crowd and you girls are so beautiful. So if I want distraction happen and him kind of fall, nobody blame him. You understand? You have to be understanding. May I beg for him. You understand? So when you have a man of substance, don't make him walk out your life. You understand? Because listen, you'll never find love like mine. See, no, see, love's gotta hurt sometimes. You know. So don't be hasty. Be patient, baby, because you'll never find a love like mine. No matter where you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, amidst all the technical difficulties that we're experiencing, I still believe that this young man deserves a big round of applause in the middle of his performance. Unlike other entertainers, they would have gotten upset, but Chris is so professional that he just right through the storm. Young man, thank you for your presence in music. And St. Best, we are giving him flowers from tonight. We don't want to wait until other places acknowledge that this gentleman has made himself a man out of music. Give Christopher Martin a round of applause along with his bands tonight, ladies and gentlemen. I've never really stopped a performer in the midst of this performance, but I thought that you deserve this moment. And the applause that you get is what you truly deserve. There could only be one Christopher Martin, and he's on stage in Junction Sickness. Big up yourself, General. Continue on the journey. All who want to hear Christopher Martin, say, go on, Christopher Martin!
Big up the General, you know it already, you know what I mean? Don't worry, man, me rent that time, and I go and work it, you see? Beautiful ladies, I love you. But listen, cause you only need the light when it's burning low. You only miss the sun when it starts to snow. You only know you. Oh, Lord, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. You only hate that road when you're missing home. And I said you only know you love her. Ladies, I love you. Oh, Lord, and you let her go. How do you let her go? How do you let her go? You're staring at an empty glass. You're hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams go slow and it goes so fast. Oh baby, I say you see her when you close your eyes. Now maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. I wanna hear everybody sing it with me now. Cause you only need the light when it's burning out. You only miss the sun when it starts to snow. You only know you love her when you let her go. Yeah, whoa, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. You only hate that road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. Take it out, jump dance. I'm gonna stay right here. Ladies, can I tell you a story real quick? Real quick, I want you to understand something, right? True story, very true story. Goes like this. Listen, I see that your hair's well done. Don't tell me that you're coming from the hair salon. You know that's a no-no, girl. You know that's a no-no. Now you call my phone when your man's at home. What's going on? Is the respect gone? You know that's a no-no. Now baby, you know that's a no-no. Now listen to me, my babies. Now you go mess around and let him find out what we're doing. We're doing. But you say you not care, cause him a bother can when screwing. So you said lay down on the bed, no please. And I see you crawling me on your knees. Say you're gonna give me everything we need. But watch your shift it cause I me just sleepy teen. You grip this You gotta listen to me now, baby. So you said lay down on the bed, no please. And I see you crawling to me on your knees, girl. Say you're gonna give me everything we need. But watch your shift it cause I me just sleepy teen. You grip the sheets and broke off your nails. Sweat out your hair, baby. You call your job and tell your boss say you're sick. Cause I got you hooked on my magic. Dick, you tell your friend, say you don't feel right. Cause your one will lock down all night, baby. You tell your man you got my business trip. Cause I got you hooked on some good dick. You can't get it no more. See nothing, ain't nothing. Come on, here's tonight, you love. I'm singing. It's not a word. What you say? Someone's pretty. Let you girls pass it up. One more thing to the task. I want everybody sing this. Sing it out loud. Don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Oh, no. Because as far as I can see, oh, she loves only me. Now sing it all loud. Alright, that's all like 150%. So I'm sure the next 50 I deal with. All the ladies who cheated one time, going once, make some noise. Easy. I love it. All the ladies who cheated twice, pull the gate and let them out through there, please. So listen, ladies, I want to ask you something. Tell me this now, please. If me cheat on you and you catch me, better you left me. Now say you forgive me, then turn around, bun me. That a straight up shit, grey. Trust me. Stop cuss me. Not because me tweet. Means some of you tweet this and a cheat for cheat, and then you tell me you love me. Me know say you never love me. Tell me. Me ain't on no bun for bun. If you ever give me no bun, we done. The world don't level me, telling you, hon. Even though me we keep me no one none. See Martin? Yes, give me reggae lovers. Hands up. You love them, me brother, listen. This is the first one. What you say? So much pretty girls and pretty girls that party now. Holding on to the task. I'm all my ladies that can sing this. And I sing all love. Don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. You listen up, because as far as I can see, oh, she was only me. Don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Don't ever cheat at all. But Lord, if you don't stop me from cheating, everybody sing that get don't let me get done. Don't let me get done. I need to know what you don't let me get done. My Lord, I hope I don't get done. Don't let someone tell me it's such a sticky situation. You know my promise, my girl. Me look in our direction. Everywhere me go, me see our next one. I'm my body to weak and I'm back for attention. I only wanna give the girls what they want. My lady says I'm wrong. She will understand. I don't wanna lie and I don't want to cry. Dears, tell her no why. I said, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Oh, no, sounds so good as far as I can see. Wait, young girl, don't cheat on me. Oh Lord. it hard, yes it hard. Feel up one girl, it kinda rough to play the part and listen. She would have left me if she knew what's in my. I want everybody sing this part. Oh Lord, I don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend. Don't ever cheat it on, as far as I can see. Oh, now she has hold me. You listen me now. Oh Lord, I don't wanna cheat on my girlfriend. I would never cheat, believe me, but Lord, if you don't stop me from cheating. I tell you, don't let me get caught. I wanna hear you. Don't let me get caught. Sing it to me louder. Don't let me get caught. Now listen, I hope I don't get caught. I wanna hear the regular one say yeah. Just say yeah. Just say yeah. Say yeah. Say I love reggae. Say I love cheating. I'm joking, man. I'm joking, honestly. Let me see you say, but I know I never read. I'm joking, I'm sorry. You listen up, this are the girlies, them anthem. Every man will love woman, push up around them. It don't look good, don't look good. Dears, let us try again, oh. This are the girlies, them anthem. Every man will love woman, push up around them. Okay, play that song you feel your girlfriend. Man of the tree, get it out, here's the problem. Oh, Lord, now let me breathe, oh my girl. Baby, I never cheated. I have never cheated in my life. Now listen, shout all you want. Pretty girl, but some never cheat. Never did. You can't steal it all. No girl knows some of them. I never cheated, no girl. Shout all you want. I think you need to see. Oh, you can't steal it all. Your friend I'm all over me. Now listen, I'ma tell you now. See all the news and I'ma carry on the text with them myself. Now listen to them. And all the rumors them a spread on us and you and them my friend. How she love me then, believe me. She see me on the road and ask me if I can really go. And if it not for now, make some more. Anyway, she see me on the club and right and I'm in my phone. Me say me never let her in on my heart. Just all you want. Pretty girl, you must have never cheat. I never did it, you can't steal it now. No God knows somebody. I never cheated in girl. Just all you want. I don't believe in sleep. Oh, you can't steal it all. You can't steal it. Baseline. Yeah, right here. This is the time. Junction, Madison on the bass. We're Madison. Dear's Junction, we're gonna mash up the place. You love reggae? Tell me this. D for diplomats. Wanna hear me? Hip for hypocrites. Now listen. Drive for trial and tourists. Gendarmes on top of Norris. See the hypocrites, they my girl out there. And I see the hypocrites, they my girl out there. And I see the hypocrites, they my girl out there. You love reggae? Me, I go test you. Listen. I'm gonna fire upon a peak on Babylon on the streets and do that. Down. I'm gonna try to do. And the reason I need them way to frown. I'm gonna fire upon a peak on Babylon on the. Them couldn't ever get me down. Well, I know they try to use and abuse. When you say love reggae, listen. Love means never to say you're sorry. You're gonna be my baby. Well, listen. Love means never to say you're sorry, baby. Nobody's to be. Jordan, say love reggae. And I said, easy. Now listen, no further. But listen, this is why we're here. She love me now. Boy, she loves me now. Oh yes, she loves me now. Boy, she loves me now. Junction, now you sing the bridge. And I said, see my love through loneliness. And I said, see my love through sorrow. I'm giving you my all of this. Would you give me your tomorrow? Please, baby. I beg you, give me your tomorrow, 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 baby. Chatty, I still feel low people. Now see me knows it. Your place for fix up. Now why you not? Pull up. Now listen. If it's not your business, but listen, everybody inside of here, you see the Christopher Martin business that you're a part of, don't leave it alone, you understand? Stay in that business, don't even deviate from that business. Without you in my business, there'd be no business. There'd be no Christopher Martin, you understand? I'm a lover now. But I see all of that business from under your own. Squeeze your man. Big up my brother Ronnie and Virgo. Anywhere in the world, if they understand. Put it up your name. I want everybody singing for him here. So tell them, say, chatty. Hey, mix. Hey, why you don't know people? Live it, toss up for low people, bitch. Me say, good God, I tell you what. Now sing the God. Knows it. Your place won't fix up. Now why you don't know people, bitch? Sing. Leave people business alone. Oh, yeah, man. Leave people business alone. No long time people, them used to say, what's sweet and it good. So when I touch down the streets, nobody see me. Judgment for my things, and after people say you give me another. Who them can't look at me? When I want police come running on me. So right now we are settled this score. Here's one sit down, we sing it once more. Oh, we told them, say chatty. Hey, why you not long people business? I said feel long people business. Good God, I tell you no. Now see me that knows it. Your place won't fix up. Now why you not long? Leave people business alone. Wanna hear me? Leave people business alone. You listen up, you're trying to chatty, man can't live in peace. See what we done, I run, don't tell my knees. Them a shit chat, and upon my name, them a yip. Hold on, see the hypocrites, them a gallant there. You hear them all before you see them. Now real time can make me can't see dying there. She let me know she listen to them. When them a chit chat, and upon my name, them a yip. Hold on, is that the wrong with you? And really be them so. Now in a dear, everybody singing me again. Chatty. Hey, Miss Flo, hey, why you not know people biz? Leave it, I said feel long people biz. Me say good God, I tell you what. Now see me that knows it. Your place won't fix up. Now why you not know people biz? Sing. Leave people business alone. Wanna hear me? Leave people business alone. Take it, jump down. Easy. How you feeling out there? Everybody alright? My ladies, are you okay? Boy, I'm feeling when I can't ever come touching on them things there, you know, but now I gotta come back, you know? I'm coming and mingle, I just say, you understand? But I have a friend of mine, I want you to hear her beautiful voice tonight. So she's gonna come and join me for a song right now. So are we ready, jam dance? Kick. Could you make some noise for my singer, Leah Caribe?
I try to imagine your
you without it ripping my heart out. 'Cause I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for forever and it's fine. And I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other and it's hey. But if the world was ending, you come over right. You come over and you say goodnight. Would you love me for the hell of it? Yeah, all our fears would be irrelevant. 'Cause if the world was ending, you come over right. The sky be falling and I'd hold you tight. No, there wouldn't be a reason why you would even have to say goodnight. And if the world was ending, you come over right. Yeah, you come over right. You come over, you come over, you come over right. But if the world was ending, you come over right, yeah. You come over and you stay the night. Oh, would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. As if the world was ending, you come over right. The sky be falling and I'd hold you tight. No, there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodnight. Thanks so much. Will you for me, please? Love you. I mean, I want to see this thing. Check, check. Oh, glory. And I know about. Yeah, I hear him say love you, you know. Now, this song is a song that, you know, Jano. Yeah. Them young people don't really know what them song is still in, but it's alright. But I sing this song anywhere I go in the world, and this is from one of my favorite singers to ever grace reggae music, to ever grace music overall. You understand? So I'm gonna give you the great Dennis Emmanuel Brown, My Style. Squeeze out. Nursery rhyme, dears now listen, Jah didn't make the little green apple. about her face aglow and ease my mind. Reggae! It rhythm up? Oh, it's good, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, definitely. Of course. Cause my family, them in the crowd, you know. I know when me see my family, them alright, you understand? Yeah. Are you ready? So when we talk about family, me I talk about the G, them we understand the life what we are talking about. And this is the facts. I mean I show no all of my family, them are gonna represent from this side to that side. Listen. When bad man phone ring, girl alone a call me. Now I use my minutes to call no guy. Now read no sex book, me not for watch blue movie. Cause when bad man takes her, she reply. Them not talk to woman, them only talk. Pull up your man, pull up your man. Now listen what I go on and know. At that time we reach, squeeze, squeeze. We're not gonna go outside. You know I got ready. So listen, I want everybody on the party to move with me. Jump dance, we're gonna go. That side first. Alright, stir fry, stir fry. Stir fry. Alright, we're not good by dancing, but listen, I'm gonna say, oh, na 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 na. I'm gonna say, oh, na 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 na. Alright, then my pretty ladies, me not see video. No babies, video. Me not see video, hands on my shoulder. Now listen to me, girl, I'm gonna make sure. Baby girl, I will make sure. Did I tell you I'm gonna make sure to keep you safe? I want all of me girl, let me sing and I say, oh, na na na. I'm just a girl, I don't know why, me don't want no more. But cross over this, I don't want to get because you play with it, na na. I'm just a girl, I tell you my prefer, you say you're the right. Now girl, you got me weak in my knees and to know me can't believe. We gonna fly tonight. See, just me and you, girl. We getting high tonight. All my sexy ladies said we gonna make under the influence. Only to love under the influence. Yeah, did love Victor. See, under the influence. Baby, what's our experience? Now listen to me good again. I know this is a girl, her name is Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of rose. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would say I don't know what I know. But pray for me, say, alright. Alright, everybody sing, everybody say, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na na. Once again, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. It's all about road, and the big fat sister now. The two of them clips are down, and I be right on their argument. The boy them in road, and the big fat sister now. Me say the two of them. Yeah, the one is one of my favorite DJs. Him sing something like this again. No Sim Simmer. Who got the keys to me? Ease up. Ease up and give me the body rhythm there. You know I got ready, you know, man. I got another friend who's gonna bless you tonight. You ready, Mitchie?
Check, check. Level. Level. Good night, ladies. And plenty men. Ladies, you see that song I'm gonna draw now? You know, say enough woman don't like enough woman, right? Cause you're nice, right? So you're nicer than a girl. Level.
say they don't like we going nice. I must sit down. What let me say on yo, let me try that one. So ready again? Oh yeah. Sorry. Them say police runners, so I be careful. So ready? I see them run, see them. So when I bust my gun, we say I see them run, see them. So when I bust my gun, oh no, the blood stain, full of words this week, I'm fall like rain. Cardiac arrest, a lot the hard receive your brain. I'm rocking the greatest of positive I tell a right. We eat you with the chicken, the bloody gazelle again. Them bad family, we got them big till we are straight. Yeah, this is your second, tell me who you want to blame. Come on, a bad man. But you know this song, I'm here now. So fast boy, get your head right. Bad man, I say tonight, you get caught in a cocoa hand. But I make up whenever you see the red light. Fussy boy, get your head right. Bad man, I say tonight, Level. You see that party I sang now? I feel the license fire and all of them. Now promote nothing illegal. License up. Fire what? You ready now? Watch out. Yo, the man them with them when I gun that bust it up. And shots of bullet was big on me, yes and them well enough for fussy man and enough for them and even if every friend drop up kill them any yo. You know, listen out for it. We see them all as one, but them and a friend them a fall. We shot them like them case and make it exit to your soul. And take a ring. Again, so fussy boy get your head right. But man I say level. I got one more record. Kind of my show. I'm a friend show. Alright, so instead I want to know, we're remix it now for the Nowhere. See? And all clothes are Nowhere. So I girl with a Louis, right? That's all? So you guess what? That doesn't tell me say Louis V in our closet because she floss or busy. Not. I'm on.
Don't stop it. Introducing on stage the man. I'm not going to. Can I say I'm going to post it first?
Big up Soko. And big up yourself, Christopher Martin. Some people see me as MC and say, right, that's MC you know about. Keep your rhythm going.
Yeah, not tell them, man. Don't
worry. Because I got shell long beers, bar and grill like that. Because they never know me an artist. They never know me can sing. They never know so me can DJ. Christmas is a surprise to Young Kingy. White, red and dry. Big up yourself. You can't tell them something. Watch it now. Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, the lamb was white as snow. I ate my shoulder, my knees, my toes. I ate my shoulder, my knees, my toes. Oh, remember this Jamaica? You can't tell us something. Listen. While we were sleeping, I tried to try sunlight crusade. Many water like Elsha. Baby could have drowned him. He could have gotten meningitis. Baby Prince was sleeping. Call the contractor. It's because of this big dirty stinking bridge. Call the contractor. Mix them. And a 30 grand bed. And a 30 grand.
Turbo, what happened on this, my friend? Now listen, give me the bunks there, really want to tell you the bunks there. How could I forward down to junction and not give my bro the vibes? Hey, set it.
Greatness in our kid. All I don't believe in that progress. Give me some signal. Chris Martin, big up yourself. We love you, boy. Hey, junction. Hey, greatness in our kid. And you just have to be patient. Cause it in our DNA. All of who live power here, they never have to be. Greatness in our kid. All the think of that. All that's me. Cause that money I play sweet. Watch out. I miss a young life.
sweet, but it not sweet enough. It's like me need a work on a sweetie truck. Every single day of the week in the street it rough. Now we life in merry. Hey Chris Martin, hey someone keep we down but we keeping up. Them say that them not like with them preach it enough. Know that judge a guide way. Tears help me sing me say we now ain't no more and road. Tears help me sing me say the time is done. Balance with the man. Watch out, listen me again. Hey, nobody can program where them no value more than where. Use them no mind sharp, find them on crime stop. Hey, big yard, help me sing the man. Money over what we say, on the back. Now do my final one, balance. Big up our 21, big up everybody with check in. And I support that talented youth here. Such an amazing act. Don't it, right? Listen me now, man. Ain't no, it's gonna be your time to shine. Yes, them say it's my time. No, it's gonna be my time to shine. I gotta get what's mine. No, it's gonna be a little shine for way. Lyrics and flows circle the city. Chris Martin, you're full of versatility. Get your bounce and no, clicks and a play no get the big break kid. No, when Friday come again, a maximum respect. It's not my show, dears. The whole promotional staff. My bro, do it.
Make some noise to the whole man. How you mean? I make one for nice, my brother Sucker. 121. Oh Lord. Alright, yes we love. We love. How you mean? Now listen, easy. Now Mr. Lightman, please. Got some beautiful ladies who supported me from 2005. And them say me have to sing, cause you know it got already. And I brought the choir tonight. A lot of you didn't know you were in my choir, but turn the lights down low for the ladies, please. Set the mood. Cause them I get the 2005 Martin, but I'm spending money upon them, say. So, jam dance, let's do it. I've been no, I'm more started for them, man. Now take it over yet. Now take it over yet, yeah? Come again, jam dance. I've been loving you too long. Can't stop now. You were time baby, Lord, now I can't hold it much longer. It is getting stronger and stronger. And I said, when I get that feeling, what you want? Oh baby, it makes me feel. Talk to me baby, helps to relieve my mind. It's good for me, sexual healing. It's good for me, sexual healing is something that's good. Stop. One last one that I know you want to hear, and back to the regular schedule programming. I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, and just like that river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time, but I know oh yes it will. It's been too hard living, and I'm afraid to die, and I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh, yes it will. See, it's been a long time coming, but I know. Make some noise for yourself, dears. I love you so much. As I said, we are going forward, back the right way, you understand? But for all the people who came out here tonight, I love each and every one of you. And for all the mothers who are in the party, I love you so much. The love can never change, you see me? Squeeze jump down so you can see where I'm going. Where would I be, love? Where would I be? Where would I be without my mama? Listen, moving below today, nothing I did. Bring it. You love your mama, say mama. You love your mama, say mama. Squeeze up. Where would I be, Lord? Where would I be? Where would I be without my mama? Listen, moving below today, nothing I put up. You stop turning on the lights on the margin and now come from a man. Me and you are, now me I'm a prince. I am a hell, leading on the light, but you wanna be on the side. Send a special dedication to me. Everybody give it up, your mama, you shall come over. I'm gonna stop like your mama. You love your mama, dears. I want you bust a thousand blank for mama, say pam, 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 pam. Squeeze again. Where would I be, Lord God? Where would I be now? Where would I be without my mom? Yeah, it's a good moment, my love, and everything I put on. Oh, it's not a girl, not a guy. You stop turning on the light, but no bunch and knock out from a bar. Yeah, you are hard, no more me, I'm a princess. I am a girl, getting on the life, a girl, I'll be on the side. beautiful, you know what I mean? Thank you so much. Tonight has been a blessing for me. You understand? Because of far where I come from. And despite all the adversities you go through in life, you'll understand that there'll be days when you feel like you won't love yourself. Feel like your friends won't love you. Feel like your family don't love you. But the Almighty will always love you. The Almighty will never leave you. Even if you don't believe in Him, He believes in you. And I am a true living testimony of what Jah can do and change someone's life. You understand? So I will never turn my back. Everywhere I go, everything I do, may the Almighty thanks and praise. Living proof in my life. He's the reason I'm here tonight. Secondly, you're the reason I'm here tonight. So when you are going home tonight, reach home safely. And I can't wait to see you again. So we're gonna sing this one before we leave. Senor Adams, my boss, big up yourself, my boss here. I know I got ready. And big up to all the beautiful ladies, all the real general, them, everybody that came out tonight. I love you very much. Make some noise for yourself. Yeah. Tonight is your night, you understand? So thank you so much for all the love. And for us do it that way, I reach home safely, is it? Squeeze jam dance. See all my days I've been held in your hands. Yes, from the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, Junction I will sing of the good, I will sing of the goodness of God. If you believe tonight, all my life you have been faithful. You believe. You believe all my life you have been so, so good. Yes, every breath that I am, breath that I'm able, I will sing it of the goodness of God. You know I love your voice, for you have led me to the fire, and in darkness and you are close like no other. You know I've known you as a father. You know I've known you as a friend. And yes, I have lived in your goodness. I want everybody to sing with me one more time. For all my life you have been faithful. You believe, all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I breathe, you know I will sing it of the goodness. You know this part, I want to sing with me now. Yes, your goodness is running after, it's running after me. One more time again, your goodness is running after, it's running after me. When my life laid down, I surrender now. I give it. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Oh yeah, for all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been faithful. Yes, every breath that I take, Junction I will sing of the goodness. I love you so much. Make some noise for my band, jump dance, please. You know what I mean? Make some noise for yourself, Junction. Make some noise for yourself. I love you so much. Thank you so much for wonderful vibes tonight. I will sing of the goodness of God. I love you. Thank you so much. Bless you.
Hey, jump time, St. Elizabeth. Put your hands together for Christopher Martin. The applaud he gets is what he deserves. What a wonderful performance.